Diolch yn fawr iawn. Gobeithio bod chi gyd wedi mwynhau'r gwobrau gwerin Radio 2 heno. Thank you very much. I hope you've all had a fantastic time at the Folk Awards tonight. It hasn't quite finished. We're going to be with you for an hour or so playing some more traditional Welsh music. We are Calan, and we're going to carry on with a bit of dancing. So I hope you stay with us. Diolch yn fawr.
Diolch yn fawr. Wel, mae'n hyfryd iawn I gael groesawu'r Folk Awards yma I Gaerdydd am y tro cyntaf. It's really amazing to see the Folk Awards here in Cardiff for the first time. We're going to carry on with some more originals now. This is a set of jigs that I wrote, and it's called Roxy's Birthday Jigs.
Oh, diolch yn fawr. Thank you very, very much. Thank you ever so much for staying to listen to us, especially on a school night. I know, I'm not sure I would have stayed up this late, but thank you very much. We're going to move on now to a traditional Welsh... Oh, hang on. A traditional Welsh folk song called Adar Man y Mynydd, which is about the little mountain birds that a man asks them to fly to his love, to sing to her while she's very ill in bed. But she has to ask them to fly back to him with a message to let him know that once the summer is gone, she'll be gone too. Eos ar glan hedydd ac adar y man y mynydd a ewch chi'n genad at liw'r haf sy'n glaf o glefyd newydd. Does gennyf ddim anrhegion na diwys dyri dyw dan y fon I ddwy ni gof yr hwn a'ch car ond par o fenig gwanion yr adar yma siwrnau y belled a sant ac yn o'r gyfer gwely gwen hwy ar y peren gan a sant dywedau gwen lliw'r ewyn o'ch fi y pa beth yw'r deryn sydd ym antewnio nawr mor braf a minnau'n glaf ar derfyn cynhadon ni'n gwnewch goelio o fi wrth y mwy Mendio'n wych a'i peidio Dywedwch wrth ond dawel Mae byr y fydd hyd fy hoedel Cyn diwedd hyn o hafn brif Gymysg brif ag yr afel Gymysg brif ag yr afel Gymysg brif ag yr afel
Reit, os ych chi newydd cerdded mewn, hoffwn ni jyst cyflwyno'n hun unwaith eto. Calan I ni'n chwarae cerddoriaeth traddodiadol Cymraeg. If you've just walked in, I'd just like to reintroduce ourselves. We're Calan and we'll be playing some traditional and new Welsh music for you for the next 45 minutes or so. We're going to move on now to a brand new piece of music. It's our shiny new single, which was out a couple of weeks ago and is on our brand new album, which will be out on the 1st of June. But because it's the Folk Awards, we thought we'd get some available for you tonight. So if you do like what you hear, there'll be some available here. Okay, that's my bit done. Moving on to the music.
Right, well, I hope you've all managed to get a couple of drinks down you, because we'd love you to help us with this one if you wouldn't mind. We cater to all the public in Calan, so you don't really have to do any singing. All you have to do is shout a little bit, which I'm sure we can all manage. So, eventually, it should sound something a little like this. Ready? 3, 4.
Hey, ho, shoo! It's easy
And
enough, right?
that's it. It comes up lots of times. We would like it to be as aggressive as possible.
Yeah, you're in Cardiff now, so all best rugby voices, please.
And I suppose that's a silly question to ask. Where are the English tonight? Scattered around.
Hello.
Well, this song actually tells the story of how we in Wales got the beautiful red dragon on our flag, and the battle between the red Welsh dragon and the English white dragon. I don't always like to spoil the story for any of you, but it is a red dragon we ended up with, so it's not looking great for you at the minute. So let's try that all together then. Let's have a go. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. 3, 4.
Hey, ho, shoo!
Yeah, not bad. I think
it
there's
will be
more
a bit
volume to
better,
come.
yeah.
Looking forward
More
to
volume. Let's try it one last time then. Ready? 3, 4.
Hey, ho, shoo!
Castle up on high, stone by stone through sweat and toil, the walls they touch the sky. The sun it rose with morning, but those walls are tumbled down. The castle stones are crumbled and lay scattered on the ground.
Hey, ho, shoo!
Scudeach y storm yn gwefyd.
Hey, ho, shoo!
Met yn pwy god a wyn. Child with magic powers, and he said you'll build nothing here, you can dig away for hours. Beneath this mountain you will find 2 dragons sleep at night. Dig down deep and let them wake and let those dragons fight.
Hey, ho, shoo!
Scudeach y storm yn gwefyd.
Hey, ho, shoo!
Met yn pwy god a wyn. And one was red as blood, the other white was breathing fire and flew up high above. Teeth, blood, fire and bone, they battled and they bled, and the white dragon growing weaker fled. Hey ho, scudeach y storm yn gwefyd.
Hey, ho, shoo!
Met yn pwy god a wyn.
Hey, ho, shoo!
Scudeach y storm yn gwefyd.
Hey, ho, shoo!
Met yn pwy god a wyn.
Okay. All right. No, it's Tom Jones. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Wel, tra bod Sam yn ail-diwnio ei gitar, swn i'n dweud, diolch yn fawr iawn a llongyfarchiadau i bawb sydd wedi cael ei enwebu a di ennill gwobr heno. Massive congratulations to everybody who's been nominated and won an award tonight, especially Nine Bach winning Wales' first ever folk award here. Sorry? Yeah, fantastic. Mae Sam rwan yn mynd i esbonio chdi bach am y nesaf yma.
So this next one is a track called Jigsaw, and it's where we take loads of little bits of jigs together and make a new piece. This is the Folk Awards, but unfortunately I don't come from a true folky background, and I come from rock, electronic, and that kind of thing. So there is a little bit of this one where we kind of crossing over, where there's a little section where, for all you dance heads there's a little bit of house music in the middle. For those that don't know what house music is, it's the music that goes boom, boom, boom in the cars that drive past late at night. So this is Jigsaw.
Okay, I don't know if this is a common fact outside of Wales, but in Wales, a very strong tradition that we have is the Eisteddfod tradition, which is a cultural festival based mainly around competition. So we thought we wouldn't leave this evening without a bit of a competition. And this is something slightly different. We've taken some traditional Welsh clog dancing and we're going to have a clog off. And not only is this a clog off between two peers, this is a generational clog off between Beth Ann here and her father, Hugh. He is the bald man here. Quite easy, quite not easy to miss.
Nice shirt, eh? Great, good shirt. I like it.
Hugh sometimes likes to have a go on the mic and hog it sometimes. I'll allow you 2 minutes.
They don't like me hogging the mic for this simple reason, because this is where I go for some empathy here, really. I am the manager of this band. I shouldn't actually even be doing this, except, no, I should, because at one point I was in the van with them because for a short time they didn't have a guitarist, so I had to play guitar, which sounds fine. So we all got into my car, actually, and off we went to these festivals, and then I suddenly realized there I was in a car with no one to talk to. Because young people live on a different planet than I do. And suddenly, you know, when I was at a band, you could say things like, do you remember that Led Zeppelin album, the acoustic one? Which one was that? No point with these. They haven't got a clue. What's going on? So I'm just talking to myself. So what I want to say is, later on, if you see me around, you want to come and have a chat, come and say hello, only if you're over 50. If you're not, forget it, because basically I've had enough. Sat in my car, tapping on things on phones and stuff. What's the point? Flipping Facebook, I don't know. So I'm gonna have a clog off, and I'm gonna take her on. I taught Bethan how to clog dance. Actually, this is traditional Welsh clog dancing, and she thinks she's better than me now. We're gonna have a clog off, and you are going to decide who's the winner, because afterwards we're going to have a clapometer. Now, for all the people out there, right, can you just do something for me, right? If you're not sure if you should come and talk to me or not, here's the test, right? I'll do it. You'll know what to do. If you know what to do, come and talk to me, right? If you don't know what to do, don't bother. It's Friday. It's 5 to 5, and it's... Thank you. Anyone sat there thinking, what on earth is he talking about? Don't come and talk to me. Don't want to know. Thank you.
Stop encouraging him.
Okay.
No. Are you ready? Oh, follow your shoes.
If you thought Bethan won, clap now. Not bad. And if you thought Hugh won, clap now. The old man has still got some life in him yet.
Right. While Bethan's catching her breath, we're going to do something a little bit slower. This is one that Angharad wrote. It's another gift tune. This time it was a wedding present for some college friends of hers from Leicester. So she's called it Cariad Caerlir, which is a really beautiful sounding Welsh name, or in English, Leicester Love.
Diolch yn fawr iawn. I ni'n mynd i symud mlaen nawr i set o alawon fel teyrnged mewn ffordd i ffrind arbennig iawn i ni fel band. Ei enw yw Stephen Rees a mae wedi bod yn fentor, yn athro, yn ysbrydoliwr, os mae hynny'n gair, i ni dros y blynyddoedd ac wedi bod yn mor gefnogol o ni fel y band. So we're going to move on now to a piece that we're going to dedicate to Stephen Rees. He's been a great support of ours over the years. He's been a mentor, a teacher. He's led the Welsh Folk Orchestra of Wales, the Eglerorfa, which many of us have been members of. So we thought he deserved a set of tunes after him. If you're not familiar with him, he's played in some fantastic bands over the years, like Arlog and Crastant, and he lectures in traditional music now up in Bangor University. So this one is for him. This is Set Stephen.
Diolch siwr gymaint am aros fan hyn gyda ni heno. Thank you so much for staying and listening to us tonight. We've just got one more left to play, but the head of our record company, David Roberts, has given me a little surprise for you all. And really, if you work for the radio or the telly, or you have any kind of business card to do with the media, or what else? Or festivals, anything, or promoters, bookers. If all of you, whoever's out there, we have got 15 copies of our album, which is not released until June the 1st, and we've got about 20 singles. If you can come and give me a business card, I'll give you one for nothing. Everyone else, we're selling them for £10. But even if you don't want to buy one, come and see us anyway and have a chat.
Bethan, you have to remind them that they're lucky anyway, because normally they aren't going to be available till the 1st of June.
Oh,
so
yeah.
you're all special. You're all special.
But they're still £10 to everyone else.
Well, da ni'n mynd i orffen efo hwn, ond diolch yn fawr iawn. Thanks very much for having us. We're going to finish this off now, but it's been such an honour to play here at the Folk Awards in Cardiff. And yeah, hope to see you all soon. Enw hwn di Y Dancing Stag.
Awards. Hope to see you next year.